Hello, I'm going to quickly show you how to conditionally format and automatically highlight words. Um, so in this little demonstration we have a series of addresses. I'm going to highlight column J. I want to conditional format from the Home tab. Click on Manage Rows, New Row, Format Cells, Specific Text, and in this case I'm going to highlight the word street. I'm going to click on Format and then Fill in yellow. And all the streets have highlighted. If you copy and paste text, it will pop in. It will appear in yellow. And if you use a filter, then you can select everything that's highlighted in yellow. Makes life much easier. That's it.